Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. And welcome back to the healthier side of things. Now guys, you know say me have one whole pan mix up and something right here, so yeah. All of this super healthy, lots of antioxidants. Yeah, gonna clean and build your immune system right here, guys. So here I have some beetroot and carrot. Jamaica know beetroot and carrot juice. Yeah. And I'm gonna add some ginger and lime. But the twist to it, guys, I'm gonna add some apple and some aloe vera gel. Alright. So let's get blending. And I'm gonna put a little bit of honey. Okay? Quick and fast. So I cut them up already and wash them. So we're gonna blend up everything all at once. Pour it in the blender. And cut them up a little small because they're tough. Why? Hard like a yam. Apples. I hope you can hold. Let's put that first. And then I'm gonna put my aloe vera. Ooh, so slimy. Woo. Ooh, guys, this is good for your body. I'm gonna squeeze some lime. You can use lemon. Look at that slime. Oh dear. Now I'm gonna pour about 2 cups of water on it, or until it's full. About there. Leave a little bit of room, and we're gonna blend. And we're gonna strain it. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna pour like another cup of water in here. Shake out it and pour it over it, guys. That's it. And you're gonna shake it out, and you're gonna have something like that. And basically you're just gonna continue like this until you get all the liquid out of it. All right, here we are, guys. You can use a lot of honey, but I'm just gonna use a tablespoon of honey, or you can just drink it like that, guys. It's up to you. Super healthy, guys. Yes, good for people who are anemic and who want energy. Lots of iron, lots of vitamins, lots of antioxidant. Yes, guys, yes. All right, and I have some crushed ice. Look at that goodness, guys. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right, guys, now I have my fancy container, and I'm gonna pour the rest. Cover it. And my peeps, that's it. That's the final result. Woo, look how pretty it is. Super healthy, super refreshing. My beetroot, apple, carrot, aloe vera with a little bit of lime and ginger. You can use lemon. Super healthy, packed with lots of health benefits. Gonna clean and build your immune system. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. And it helped with weight loss as well, guys. All right, super pretty and fancy. All right, guys, that's it. You have a good day. Bye, guys.